the way I'm going to clean this, like I said, fine toothbrush, carburetor cleaner, and also absolute pure gas. There's a little bit in there, that will help. Do some soaking in there, and we'll see how that turns. It's going to turn brown, but you must be very gentle with your brushing, like you do with your teeth. No flossing here today, but that's pretty filmed up. But let's go. I wanted to also show you, that's the actual filter. I wanted to clean that also. So if you look inside, there's actually more film of that residue from the petroleum. It looks like bad gas to me personally. So these just pop out actually, so easy. And look on the other side, it's dirty. That's the back side of it. So I'm going to pop the other one out, clean that also, and the inside of the tunnel there. As you can see now, that's pretty clean, and I just gently brushed it like you do your teeth. But as you can see, that petroleum has discolored, but I threw some bolts in there also, which were a little bit dirty. So that's going to be my cleaning bowl, but I'm going to refresh that again when I see it's going to get too dirty. I'm using it as a flush, just dipping it in, dipping it out, but also checking. But the toothbrush, you just go gently everywhere, and that's what will come out. It's a pretty easy job, really. That's the body of it. We've got it almost about 80% clean. I'm going to do some more gentle cleaning. I can see some debris in there still, but look at the way it turns out. Show you the other side. That was pretty dirty also, but it's not that bad as it looked. But I think you should do this at least once a year. And the filter, it did actually have a filter, so you can see that stuff still gets through. This was the filter, browned up a bit, but that doesn't completely filter everything. So it goes in there, actually just before it, right over here, and in and then out. Okay, let's carry on. I'm very pleased with the results. Did need a lot of patience. You must have a lot of patience to do this. Let's just show you the other side. Yeah, you can actually see right through the mesh filter there. Dirty both sides, and clean the insides. Looking good. And look how that rubber turned out, really nice. Took all that film off. I'm just going to put it back together.